I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bricksforge as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and then fill out the Bricksforge form to trigger the data fetch. The form has been submitted successfully. Now return to your integration site and check the response. Here you can see that Bricksforge has successfully fetched the data. Set action. Search and select the action SureMembers. Connect to SureMembers. SureMembers connected successfully. Next, choose a task. Map the respective field. Under the action, choose a group. Here is the advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Under the Bid Apps Access group, click on the Users. Here you can see that a user successfully added on the SureMembers Access group. Thanks for watching.